You're Templepatrick, Kilmakee road level crossing in Antrim. I'm sorry about the late start. It came out at an awkward time again, like spam bomb did. Time is 18:11, and this is 4. That came early that time. And this is 4. You're tingle. It's supposed to be 18:17. No one else was from down under the Griff Torture, I think. Also. Oh, it came early that time. Oh. Never mind. Poor Josh, they're under. Would you just go back to be doing the pardon, please? Dang it. At least Bayer. Still not doing the pardon, still. I think I'll see